Hey, what's up? I'm April, and this is the Future Cat from Puma Kids. This wonderful shoe has a sleek, low-profile design that will definitely help you run fast. It does have breathable mesh on the tongue as well as an asymmetrical lace-up design too. It's lined on the interior with cushioning in the footbed, and it's all on a durable, non-marking rubber outsole that's flexible, perfect for school gymnasium floors. So now you can be from the future. Maybe not a cat, although that would be awesome too because cats always land on their feet. In the Future Cat.